to, if I can get it untangled, just wanted to introduce you to the Depths Buzzjet Junior. That's probably not the ideal spot to show it to you for the first time, but little surface lure. First time I saw it, in fact the first time I'd ever heard of the Depths brand, was at the After Trade Show this year. The boys from Dogtooth Distribution have brought them in, and this one's called the Buzzjet Junior. And yeah, it's my kind of surface lure. Basically you cast it out and there's no technique involved. You just wind it back, and it has like a little seductive wobble. That little bib at the front just gives it a bit of, and then and you miss a fish. Oh, and there we got him now. Oh, what have we got? Must be a spangly or something. Oh no, now it's having a go. Oh, so we might give that another try. So may not be the ideal spot to show you, but there's a couple of little fish there. It's quite a big lure. But the bass so far today haven't really worried about that too much. They've climbed all over it. Oh, look at him sitting underneath it. Oh! Oh! Oh, he's still there. Oh dear. Oh. Just wasn't meant to show you a hookup, I don't reckon. Oh, got him. No, got off. Oh man. There we go. Get it up in there again. Got him that time. Oh, and it's come off again. No. Come off again. You're kidding me. The joys of surface fishing, eh? There we go. Come on, come out of whatever you're under. Come on, come out of there. Come on. That's it. Oh, good fish. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Oh, man. There you go. I'm trying to show you a fish on the Buzzjet, and we finally got one. I've got a good one. There we go. Oh, that's a solid fish. Oops. A bit of lead from where it took me into the cabbage. There you go. That's a nice little fish on the Buzzjet. Well, you'd think you'd get a fish there, wouldn't you? And we have. There we go. Oh, get out of there. There we go. Nice. Yeah, not a bad fish either. There you go. So this is a Valley Hill Lucky Craft. I don't know. It's sort of come together and built these little vibes with a little spinner on the front of it. And there you go. I've had a little bit of fun with them already. I think this is about number 4 on it. And yeah, there it is. So what's it say there? Jardo LV something or other. So yeah, not a bad little fish. Go and throw a tag in him and let him go. So there you go, that's 41 centimetre bass from this morning. See the tag in there, just let him swim off. Away he goes, happy as.